City of Resilience, united in darkness. On a fateful night, when the city was cloaked in darkness, a violent earthquake struck, leaving destruction in its wake. The once brightly lit streets were plunged into chaos as buildings crumbled and the earth trembled. Many people were trapped beneath the rubble, their cries for help echoing through the night. In the midst of the chaos, a sense of unity emerged. Firefighters, police officers, and brave citizens rushed to the scene, driven by a common purpose: to save lives. Their flashlights cut through the darkness as they worked tirelessly to pull survivors from the debris, their determination unwavering. Amidst the chaos and uncertainty, the spirit of heroism shone brightly. Strangers became rescuers, working together to free those trapped beneath the weight of fallen structures. The city's residents, facing adversity head-on, demonstrated remarkable courage and resilience. In the early morning hours, a group of uninjured citizens gathered on the roadside, offering support and solace to one another. They knew that in the face of disaster, their strength lay in their unity. They shared stories of survival and loss, their bond growing stronger with each passing moment. Ambulance personnel worked tirelessly, rushing to hospitals, playgrounds, and even open grassy areas to rescue the injured. They administered first aid, provided comfort, and transported the wounded to safety. The city's hospitals overflowed with patients, but the medical staff remained unwavering in their dedication to saving lives. Amidst the rubble and chaos, acts of kindness and selflessness shone through. Strangers became friends, offering a helping hand to those in need. The city's resilience was on full display as communities came together to support one another. As the sun rose, casting a hopeful light on the battered city, the true strength of its people became evident. The earthquake had brought darkness, but it had also revealed the indomitable spirit of a community united in the face of adversity. In the days that followed, the city began the arduous process of rebuilding. The scars left by the earthquake would not be forgotten, but they served as a reminder of the city's resilience and the power of its people to overcome even the darkest of moments. The unity displayed that night had not only saved lives but had also forged bonds that would last a lifetime. The city's inhabitants had shown that in times of crisis, they were not defined by fear or despair, but by their unwavering determination to stand together and rebuild, stronger and more resilient than ever before.